Okay, so today we're gonna change the engine air filter. So the new filter is here. The old one is right in here. So if you go to the local dealership, it charges you $49.95 currently. And I bought this one on Amazon for um, about like $12 to $15. So it looks like this. The old one looks exactly like this as well. So we're gonna take the old one out and then pop the new one in. That's it. Okay, now we can just pop this open, just like that. Uh, and from here it's supposed to be kind of easy. So the old one is here. We can see it already. It doesn't have a lot of room for you to operate, so just be careful. It's very tight. Alright, this is the old one. And remember, we got it out like this. Right? So this is the old filter. Nothing special. It's kind of dirty, but it's not like the worst. So this is the part number. Obviously, we won't have this on the new one. And this is the original. You know, it came with the car. And now I have about 21,000, 22,000 miles on it. And quite obviously, we just want to make sure the new one goes in the same way. I don't think it matters this side or that side, to be honest. Okay, so it's gonna go in this way. We have decided. Just pop the new one in. Okay, so it's in. Just try to feel it down there. Watch out, the engine might be hot. Make sure it's in the housing entirety. And I think so. Okay. And now we need to close it. I think it's really tight on both sides. So just close it. And that's it. So take a look on this side. You see, it's fully closed up. This thing is in. Take a look on the other side. At this side, it's the same. I can't really get the camera in, but it's nicely closed up. All right.